Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies without oven. Start by measuring 2 cups rolled oats and combining them with a mashed banana or 1 cup applesauce as a binder. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1 tablespoon honey to sweeten, then fold in 1/2 cup mix-ins. Press scoops onto parchment and chill until set. I'll guide you through timing, texture checks, and easy flavor. Warm tip: combine dry and wet components gently to keep a pleasant chewy texture. Use 1/2 cup nut butter for richness or 1/4 cup cocoa for chocolatey depth, and add 1/2 cup raisins or 1/2 cup chopped nuts for contrast. If mixture feels too wet, add 2 to 4 tablespoons oats. If too dry, add a splash of milk or a teaspoon of oil. I'll show quick tweaks so every batch turns out great and consistent. After shaping, place cookies on a tray and chill for a minimum of 30 minutes to let them set properly. For longer life, store them in an airtight container in the fridge where they will stay fresh for up to 5 days. You can also freeze unbaked scoops for up to 2 months and thaw in the fridge overnight before eating. I'll share packing tips so your cookies stay chewy and portable every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.